So starting from the previous video clip, so -5, and then for S3 it is 2, and of course there is no S3 in these positions, so it will be 0, 0, and then 1, and then here 1 was missing. So this is the one. So in this case, then what we get over here is the basis. So the basis is, in this case, will be this set 8 -3 1 0 0. Of course, these S1, S2, S3 are arbitrary constants. So basis will be these three vectors. So 2 -1 0 1 0, and -5 2 0 0 1. So in this case, the basis is consisting of three vectors, so which means that the dimension will be 3 in this case, okay, not 2. So, and the last three components 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 very clearly illustrate that these three are independent vectors. Okay, next example is express the given vector, express the given vectors. So for example, if we have u1 is equal to 2 1, u2, these are the two vectors we have, and we have a vector s equal to 4 3. So can we express s as s1 u1 plus s2 u2? That we need to find. That means we need to find s1 and s2, that is the two scalars. So you will say, of course we can do it. So it is actually the solution of the system of the linear equation, where we can represent it as like a augmented matrix. So for example, the solution will be like AS is equal to, okay, AS is equal to, okay, so for example, if this is as small as, then this will be capital S, okay, if this S is here. Anyway, so we can write the augmented matrix, and then that will give us the solution of S1 and S2. So 2 1 4, and then it will be 0, and then we need to multiply it by -1/2. So 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2, and then minus, it will be -2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So from here, what we get is 1/2 s2 is equal to 1. So s2 will be equal to 1, and then 2s1 plus s2, that is 1, is equal to 4. So s1 will be equal to 3/2. So therefore what we get is here s2 should be 2. So it is 2 over here. So 4 minus 2 is 2/2 is 1. So therefore we can represent S as S1, U1, S2, U2. So whereas S1, S2 are 1 and 2. And then we can input these values and also verify it. Similarly, if for example, if instead of S is equal to 4, 3, if S is equal to 1 minus 1, then we still can find the answer. So say in this case the augmented matrix will be 2 1 1 1, and then it will be 1 minus 1, so it will be 2 1 1 0 1 by 2, and then it will be minus 1 by 2 minus 1, so it will be minus 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 S2 will be equal to minus 3 by 2, so S2 will be equal to minus 3, and then 2 S1 plus S2, that is minus 3 by 2, is equal to 1. So from here we can get S1 will be equal to 1 plus 3 by 2 is 5 by 2, 5 by 2 time divided by 4, so it will be 5 by 4. Again, there is some mistake here because the value of S2 is minus 3, so it should be minus 3 here. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So S1 will be 2 in this case. So therefore S1, S2 is equal to 2 and 3. Here the value of S2 was minus 3. Yeah, so S2 is minus 3. Okay, so 2S1, yeah, that means 2 is minus 3.